Sarah and myself watched a movie. Let me introduce I. Myself went swimming. Oh no, what's going on here? What's wrong with these expressions? Hi everybody, I'm Aliona at Cake English and I'm here to answer your questions. Today's question is, what's the difference between I and myself? I is pretty easy. We use it all the time as the subject of our sentences, like in I went to school. But myself is something we call a reflexive pronoun, and it is used when a person is both the subject of a sentence and its object. In the sentence, I bought myself a car, we can see that the person bought a car for themselves. This is a reflexive situation because the object and the subject are the same person. So we can say things like, I baked myself a cake, or let me introduce myself. We also use myself to stress that you did something by yourself. You could say, I started the business myself. I was tired of waiting, so I just did it myself. I built this house myself. So let's avoid confusion and learn to use I and myself correctly and confidently. Repeat after me for some speaking practice. I wrote the book myself. I wrote the book myself. I know karate, so I can defend myself. I know karate, so I can defend myself. Please allow me to introduce myself. Please allow me to introduce myself. Do you understand the difference between I and myself? Then let's try out a quiz. Harry and went to the museum. Harry and I went to the museum. I cooked a delicious steak. I cooked myself a delicious steak. I completed the project. That's right, I completed the project myself. Good job, everyone! So that's it for today. Remember to download the Cake app for free so you can find more videos just like this one. See you next time. Bye!